Hi everyone, Elias with TurboDial here. Today we're going to talk about agent scripts. So agent scripts is a feature that's been added to TurboDial that is an integration with Zingtree. It allows TurboDial to automatically display your Zingtree scripts in a pop-up from TurboDial. It requires a Zingtree account, and this feature is included with the volume dialing add-on. Zingtree is the party that you use to create scripts, and it's used and trusted by many large companies. Okay, so to get started, what we're going to need to do is retrieve your Zingtree API key. So you're going to want to log into Zingtree, and you hover over resources and you click on API, and your Zingtree API key will be displayed on that page. After you do that, you're going to log into your TurboDial management account, which I've already done, and then hover over TurboDial Setup and click on Choose Agent Scripts. After you do that, click on Configure Agent Scripts. After you click on Configure Agent Scripts, you're going to want to enter in your Zingtree API key along with your TurboDial management account login information, and then click Login. After you click the login button, you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this, and you're going to notice entries in this dropdown. So each one of these is respectively referred to as a tag script association. So we can read the name of the tag, so in this case productivity, along with the Zingtree script it's associated to. So in this case that's the call script with objections. So tag script associations are extremely important, so we're going to go over them in further detail. When an Infusionsoft tag is associated to a Zingtree script from within your TurboDial management account, we refer to that association as a tag script association. So in this case, what you can see is you see that the Infusionsoft tag that's called new lead ends up being associated to the Zingtree script that's called new lead as well. When you focus your TurboDial panel on a contact that has a tag associated with a tag script association and then click this blue up arrow icon, a pop-up will occur and there will be a Zingtree script underneath it. So to illustrate that point, my TurboDial panel is focused on a contact that has tags associated with a Zingtree script. And when I click this blue up arrow icon, we're going to see that by default, this Zingtree script is displayed. So call script with objections. You don't need to worry about this part of this pop-up. This is associated with the additional contact fields pop-up. So we're going to want to scroll down to, toward the bottom half of the pop-up in order to refer to the agent script section. So agent script for this tag, what this refers to is, this refers to the Infusionsoft tag that is associated with this Zingtree script. If the contact has multiple tags associated with multiple Zingtree scripts, you can click this drop down, choose a tag, and then the script associated with that tag will be displayed here. Now what you need to notice as well is that you can technically, a single script can be associated with multiple tags, but only one tag can be associated to a given script. So as you noticed, if I change from the web form tag to the new lead tag, they still show the same Zingtree script. Okay, so now that you know a little bit more about tag script associations, let's go back to this page of your TurboDial management account. So again, if we click on this drop down, each one of these is a tag script association. These are the names of the Zingtree scripts, and then these are the tags that are associated with a given Zingtree script. So again, this is the productivity tag that's been associated with the call script with objections Zingtree script. Now using these icons, so this trash can icon, this allows us to delete a tag script association. So you can choose a tag script association, then click this icon to delete it. You use this blue up arrow icon to preview a given tag script association. Or maybe better said is you're able to preview the script associated with a given tag. Next, we're going to talk about creating tag script associations. To create an actual tag script association, what you do is you choose an Infusionsoft tag category, then you pick a tag in that category, and then you choose which Zing tree script you want associated with that tag, and then you click on step 3, click to install. After that, a prompt will appear and you click OK to exit that prompt. So an important thing to know about tag script associations is that only one tag can be associated to one script, but a script can technically have multiple tags associated to it. If you do not see all tag categories, that means that you've restricted them from within your TurboDial management account. Okay, so we're going to go over some additional information. What you might have noticed is that when we click the blue up arrow icon when TurboDial is focused on a contact in order to view a tag script association, is that only one script is displayed. The script that is displayed is the one that is associated to the Infusionsoft tag with the lowest ID, which basically means it's the oldest tag out of all the tags that the contact has that are associated with tag script associations. Also, what else we need to know is that if a contact has tags used by multiple tag script associations, you will be able to choose each individual tag to see which script the tags correspond to. Now, I already went over that a little bit, but just to make the point clear, we click this blue up arrow icon, and as you can see, there's more than one tag here. And if I choose that tag, you will then see the script associated with that tag. And if I click this tag here, you'll notice that the script, it updates, but it's the same script. So if you ever get in a situation where this list is really long and you keep changing and the script isn't changing, that means that multiple tags are associated with this same script. Another thing is that you need to be very disciplined about applying and removing tags associated to tag script associations. The primary reason for that is that if you're not, what can end up happening is that this dropdown can become extremely long, and chances are it's probably pretty redundant. It's worth considering creating a new Infusionsoft tag category called scripts or Zing tree scripts, and then associating tags to that category, and then only using those tags when you're creating tag script associations. The last thing you need to know about the agent scripts feature is that it is enabled in your TurboDial global options. Okay, so that's all we're going to talk about today regarding agent scripts. We hope you get a lot of value out of this feature. Thank you for watching. Happy dialing, everyone.